Google Drive API with Python, a beginner's guide. Ever wanted to automate file management in Google Drive using Python? Whether you're trying to streamline workflows, boost team collaboration, or build your own custom apps, the Google Drive API is your key to powerful, cloud-based file control. All right, first things first, we need to set up your environment. Start by heading over to the Google Cloud Console and creating a new project. This project will handle your API access, authentication, and billing, so choose a name you'll remember. Once your project is good to go, enable the Google Drive API. This is what gives your app permission to talk to Google Drive. Next, let's install the Google Client Library for Python. Just open your terminal and run bash pip install upgrade Google JPI Python client Google Auth HTTP lib2 Google Auth OAuth lib. Boom, you're in business. Authentication with OAuth 2.0. Now it's time to connect your Python script to Google Drive, safely and securely. Go back to the Google Cloud Console, configure the OAuth consent screen, and create credentials for a desktop app. Download the credentials.json file and guard it with your life. This file is your golden ticket to access the Drive API. When you run your script for the first time, you'll be asked to log in and approve access. After that, it'll generate a token JSON file to handle future logins automatically. Pro tip, make sure you define the right scopes. Always follow the principle of least privilege. Only ask for what your app truly needs, nothing more. HashArk core operations, uploading and downloading files. Let's get hands-on. Uploading files to Google Drive? Easy. You can upload just about anything. Images, videos, zips, PDFs, you name it. Here's how it works, using the Python client library. 1. Import the media file upload class to handle the file data. 2. Create a metadata dictionary with your file name and other details. 3. Create a media file upload object, passing in the file path and MIME type. 4. Call files.create with the metadata and media. 5. Print out the file ID. Done. Downloading files? Also simple. To download a file in its original format, use files.getMedia. The data gets saved locally, say as downloadedfile.pdf. This uses Media IO-based download, which handles the download in chunks and shows your progress as it goes. Very cool. But wait, what if you're working with a Google Doc, Sheet, or Slide? In that case, you'll use files.export to convert it to a standard format like PDF or DocX. Just specify your target MIME type, and voila, your Google Doc becomes exported doc.pdf in seconds. Managing permissions and sharing. Want to share a file with someone? Give them access? Maybe even transfer ownership? You got it. With the Drive API, you can share files using permissions.create, see who has access with permissions.list, update existing permissions using permissions.update. Here's a quick example. Let's say you want to grant write access to user@example.com. Use permissions.create and set the role to writer. You can also choose from owner, organizer, commenter, or reader, depending on what level of access you want to give. Need to downgrade someone's permission from write to comment? Use permissions.update, quick and clean. Hash security first. This part is non-negotiable. Keep your users' data secure. Use HTTPS for all API requests. No excuses. Store your credentials and tokens somewhere safe and encrypted. Handle token expiration gracefully. Build it into your app logic. Your app might be awesome, but it needs to be trustworthy too. And there you have it, a rock-solid foundation for using the Google Drive API with Python. From setup to file uploads, downloads, and sharing, you're ready to roll. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Like what you learned? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.